Hey guys, it's Aaron Kluge here. Just wanted to point out a bug I found in eBay. If you look at your promoted listing rates in the uh, active listings view, you can see that the trending rates might all be the same for some reason. And these used to vary quite a bit between anywhere between 3% up to like 10 or beyond. And for some reason, it's showing the trending rates are all 7%. Obviously, I've matched them at this point, which is what I usually go in here and do, which is what most people probably do, which is what eBay wants. They have pushed the trending rate plus one quite a bit. And so it's just driving up more profits into their pockets out of our pockets. And as you can see, the items I have vary quite a bit. Here's a military badge. You've got a vintage audio, a vacuum cleaner, radio, a drill, chargers, even some like vintage movie items. Still, this rate should be actually a lot lower. Um, Records, 7% of these have actually been much higher in the past. So I don't know what's going on. They might be manipulating the system as expected, and I just think eBay should have more accountability, and we should question what we're really getting out of promoted listings.